Hey, I'm the Viking Queen, and I'm on my way back to the Moose Park because I'm gonna meet this guy Leffe all alone. Woo! It's very windy here. Oh my God! It's so windy here. So I'm actually had the chance to go back all alone to the Moose Park, which is so cool. I can't wait for it. I'm definitely gonna pet the moose today. That's what I'm gonna do. I've never done that before. Oh my God. Hello. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're here for having a look at the Moose Park.
Yes.
Yeah, that'll be nice. He's inside making some milk for the calves.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna feed them first.
Yes. Sounds cool to me. Can I park my car there?
Yeah, it's okay.
Or should I put it back? Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, I look forward to this. Tjenare! Hello! Hello! That's a little baby. And that's a little baby.
Det här är älgbarskvinnan.
Yes, I'm having a moose bar for wild moose.
That's good.
But now I'm gonna see your moose.
Yeah.
And I hope that I'm gonna touch one. Because I never touched mine.
Of course.
Okay?
I guarantee that you can touch them.
You do?
Yeah, of course.
I look forward to it.
Follow me.
Yeah.
Och så den där Kajsa där. Så du får vara med och mata lilla kalvarna här nu alltså.
Ja. Vad kul.
Vi kan gå tillbaka till djuren. Vi kan gå ner till dem.
Ja.
Du kan få hålla en flaska om det så att det går bra. Beroende på lite hur scary de kan vara mot nya.
Ja.
Det visar sig. Du kanske ska filma, då har du svårt att hålla en flaska kanske.
Last time I was here it was a lots of people here.
It's full every day now.
Full every day. Okay.
That's very good because it's high season now. So that's why.
It's high season now. That's cool.
Kom där tjejerna, får ni gått dit. Kom får ni gått dit tjejerna. Kom får ni gått dit. Kom där. Kom tjejerna. Skynda, kom får ni gått dit. Skynda. Kom där tjejerna. Skynda, kom.
He's calling for the babies.
Kom.
Two babies that have no mother.
Skynda, kom då.
The mother didn't have any milk.
Skynda, kom tjejerna, får ni gått dit. Skynda, nu kommer vi där. Nu ser jag benen där. Kom får ni gått dit. Oj. Skynda, kom får ni gått dit. Skynda, kom tjejerna.
Oh my God.
Kom. Åh, vad hungriga värld. Upp. Skynda, kom får ni gått dit. Ja, kom. Ja, skynda, kom.
Oh my God.
Hej, ja, kom då.
So cute.
Selma first and then Fanny. Two girls.
Yeah, two girls.
Kom då.
Oh my God.
Kom.
They're so cute.
Så ja. Kom får ni gått dit. Kom så. Så.
Oh my God.
Så.
And they're 6 weeks old. Right?
They are 6 weeks and 2 days.
Yeah. And how often do you feed them?
Now 5 times per day.
5 times?
Before 8 times.
8 times.
8 times.
So you have to go up in the night as well?
Yeah, of course. But now I wait. I give them the last time at 11 o'clock and then I give them at 6 o'clock in the morning. So now I can sleep 6-7 hours. But before 3 hours milk, 3 hours milk.
Yeah.
So the first 3 weeks it's very important to give them milk very, very often.
Yeah.
Same like his mother. So that's why the first 3 weeks is very hard. But now it's better and better for every day. So now I can give them more milk and not so often.
Yeah. Oh my
And now
God.
they have also started to eat some leaf and pellets. So that's why they don't need it so often. But now you can see they don't drink.
Hey.
So this is Fanny and Selma.
Yeah. Adorable. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my God. Twins.
Yeah, you can see they're twins because they're very close to each other the whole time.
Yeah.
And that's
Hello.
why when I have one baby, I often have them inside the house the first 4, 5, 6 weeks. But
You have them inside of your house?
In my house, yeah.
Yeah?
It's easier to feed them so I can sleep and then I go up in the kitchen and warm the milk.
Wow.
When they are two, they can go together out here because they have each other. So
Yeah. Because I saw a video when you had one in your bedroom, right?
Yeah. In 2 years now I have. Last year I have one wild one from Enköping, but she died in January. Something happened with his stomach and a little hole. So she died in 24 hours.
Wow.
Too sad. But the last year I have X-ray and X-ray was born in the park, but his brother take all the milk, so and the mother didn't have so much milk, so that's why I take care of him. So this is the 3rd summer.
Yeah.
So hopefully next summer I'm free to do like this.
Yeah.
Have some more holiday.
But you never know. Maybe you get another calf in.
You never know.
Yeah.
Hej tjejerna, ska ni komma bysarna?
Hello!
Kom där tjejerna får ni komma. Kom och snacka lite. Kom. Ja. Kom där tjejerna.
Hello babies!
Kom där tjejerna.
Hello!
Oj.
Are you cute?
Kom där.
Are you cute? Hello! Ja, de är så söta.
Ja, de är ju så jävla söta.
Herregud.
Du har liksom ute på din hemsida.
Nej, det här är på TikTok.
Det är på TikTok?
Där har jag mest från Amerika, England.
Får du några besökare som kommer till dig då?
Nej, jag har inte tagit emot några besök än. Jag har inte gjort med många som frågar.
Ja.
Vi har inte gjort det, så ja, det är möjligt att göra det då, men... Hej! Wow, that's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. They think you are the mom.
Yes, I'm the mom.
They think you are the mama now.
Sen är de ju lite vaksamma nu då, för de är ju inte så jättevana till andra människor inne, va?
Nej.
Det är inte så konstigt. Jag tycker det är väldigt bra. De ska ha den här lilla, liksom lite vilda. De har den instinkten i sig. Idag på visningen, så Kåke som hjälpte mig, körde igår också. Hans hink var en liten sån här, hade gått sönder och den knäppte till i plasten.
Ja.
Direkt så stack Quintus iväg. Så jag frågade, vad var det? Nej, det var hinken. Så tog jag tillbaka Quintus, bytte hink, gick bra sån här. Så de är ju jättekänsliga för annorlunda saker, va? En liten fin.
Gillar de att bli sån kos?
Ibland så kan de tycka det är skönt när man kliar med öronen så här. Men sen det där, det vill de inte alls.
They just like to be pets sometimes. Yeah, just sometimes.
They are like a cat. A cat, if he wants to be touched, he stay. If he don't want to touch, they go away.
Yeah. They're just like a cat.
Yeah.
Cat.
Or like my
Like your cat?
my cat at home. My wife.
Your wife or? I got it. Hey. Yeah. This is gonna be cool to show on my channel, because I have lots of people who are following my wild mooses.
Wow.
So I'm gonna make a story here.
Yeah, of course.
The Crazy Moose Man.
That's me.
Yeah.
That's me. I'm proud to be a Crazy Moose Man. I'm very proud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm very proud.
They're eating the salt now. Yeah.
They started a little. Yeah.
A little.
Little.
I'm ready.
Ja, härligt.
Yes.
Börjar vi åka in till kossorna och kalvarna och sen åker vi till tjuran.
Ja.
Hej tjejerna! Hopp! Hej brydarna! Hej på er! Tjena! Hej! Då får man prata med så hör de att det är jag. Så där de så här. Hej tjejerna! Hej tjejerna! Hopp! Jag ska göra så här. De ska ju ha en liten kvist. Jag har ju tagit undan lite. Det var lite fint.
Uh-huh. He's gonna give them something. He's talking to them so that they get used to his voice, and they're kind of looking at him as their mother now. Yeah. Yeah, this is so cool.